Hi, so for this video I'm gonna show you how to remove Google account. So before I start, I just want to tell you that you can do this in any app that you want. Okay, for example, Google Apps, Google Chrome, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want. But in this video I'm gonna show you how to do it on YouTube. Okay, so first you need to open your YouTube app. Then, as you can see here on the upper right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture. You just need to click on that, and then you will see a arrow beside your email or beside your profile picture. Then you want to click on that, and then as you can see here on the lower part of your screen, there's a section that says manage accounts on this device. You want to click on that. If you click that, you can see all these accounts, right? So after that, you want to choose or whatever email you want to remove from this device. So for example, this one, I just want to remove this. So click remove from this device, then click remove, and then just wait, and then that's it. That Google account is removed or deleted from this app. But that doesn't mean you cannot log into it again. You can just click add account, then add that email address again. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.